guys, today I'm going to show you how to make brown sugar boba recipe from scratch. That you can make it at home with your children. No more tasteless boba that making you think, why I have this in my drink? So let's go make it together, shall we? If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Let me tell you about all the ingredients. Clean water, 120 ml. Brown sugar, 60 gram. Cocoa, 1 tablespoon. Tapioca flour, 120 gram. And you also need the tapioca flour later after you making the boba to sprinkle on the boba to stop them sticky to each other. Okay? This is the first part for making brown sugar boba. And the second part, so this ingredient for brown sugar syrup, 1 cup water, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Same amount. Easy. Let's go making together, shall we? My brown sugar boba recipes turns out delicious, and trust me, you can do this easy DIY brown sugar boba instead of the shop bought. Preservative free and much nicer. You can put it in matcha tea or other drinks, lot of other drinks that you can put it to yummy them up. And I will do video for the drinks later. But this time, this video, I will concentrate how to make brown sugar boba recipe at home. Then you can add it to any drinks as you like. Let's making together, shall we? Right, first of all, I will mix the tapioca flour with cocoa. Mix them up well. The reason why you mix cocoa and tapioca flour first, just to avoid it's gonna have some spot, dark spot or something, and the flour not smooth when we do the boba. All right. Now we mix water and brown sugar together. We mix it until the brown sugars melt and boil a little bit, and then we will turn the heat off, and put it in the flour we just mixed. Make sure brown sugar is all dissolved, and that's it. It's done. I'm gonna dab into the flour. Okay, I will put brown sugar that I just made it. So when you pour brown sugar, hot brown sugar into the flour, you just add some in it first, cook for a little bit, and then we will do the kneading afterward. Don't stop stir it up. You keep stir it up. Otherwise, the flour will get burned. We knead it to make the flour smooth. Once it's smooth and shiny, then it's ready. While we making the boba, I would like to
Pour it in the
do
water.
the brown sugar syrup.
And then put it in the pan.
Yeah.
Now, put the brown sugar inside of the water.
Yeah.
Then stir it up.
And then turn the gas on.
And then we mix it up.
Yeah.
It looks yummy.
Okay, leave that going. So if the flour too dry, you cannot roll the boba into circle. You need to add a little bit of water, add a little bit, not go crazy in once. Then the flour too wet.
Guys, mommy's rolling it up, so you gotta wait in a second.
Like that. It's too dry. You cannot.
Guys, mommy's so right. If you don't wait,
This silicone baking mat, I didn't baking my boba, by the way. I just used it to put my sweet brown sugar boba on it, and it sticky on the mat. You see? Very nice, this brand, Yo Yummy Mat. Alright, this step I will dust the boba. You want to do it? Goodness me.
guys, it's like little snowballs.
That's it. It's ready to boil. So we're gonna put it in a bowl. Right, the water is ready.
Now let's
Alright,
put it in.
let's put it in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, be careful, hot water.
Mix it
And
up.
once you put the boba in, you need to stir it up. Otherwise, the boba will stick in the bottom. Okay? Okay, got it? You see the boba floating up,
5, 4, 3.
and we leave it until 30 minutes.
We finished boiling the bona. boba.
And then
And then we put the lid on for 20 minutes.
and then
And then see you later.
so now 20 minutes passed. It's ready to wash the boba. This is the boba. It's already been cooked for 30 minutes and leave it in hot water for another 20 minutes. And the boba look soft, nice and soft. So I can see. We can wash it to get rid of the starch from. A bit big than you buy from the shop, but that's up to you. And this one preservative free. All right, we have the soft boba that we did earlier, and the taste is not yummy yet. So I will put it in brown sugar syrup to make it tasty. So we will simmering until brown sugar is sticky. While you're doing this process, you have to keep stirring up, otherwise the syrup will get burned. So the boba get thicker than before, and we will leave it before we using it. We will leave it until it cool down a little bit, and then not a little bit, cool down about 10 to 20 minutes, and then it will be more thick than before. Here is the finished brown sugar boba that we just made. I will add 1 tablespoon of honey.
Can I pour it in?
Yeah.
And can I also...
Keep going.
Okay.
Soft and chewy and tasty are also very yummy. So you can try this recipe at home with your children and tell me how you think about this recipe. And also look out for my recipe drink coming up soon. See you guys for next video. Bye!